In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up space in your Gmail account. If your Gmail storage is full and you're unable to send or receive emails, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to free up your Gmail storage, ensuring you can manage your email efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to check your current storage usage. Head over to https://one.google.com/storage and sign into your Gmail account. Here you'll find a pie chart depicting how your storage is divided among Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This visual guide will help you identify which service is consuming the most space, allowing you to focus your cleaning efforts strategically. Next, let's dive into deleting large emails with attachments. Open your Gmail on a computer. In the search bar, you can enter a variety of queries to list emails with large attachments. Once you've found these emails, review them and delete those that are unnecessary. After deletion, remember to navigate to your trash folder and click Empty Trash Now to permanently remove them. A helpful tip is to sort your emails by date, allowing you to remove older, possibly less relevant emails first. Following this, it's time to clean up Gmail categories. On the left sidebar of Gmail, you'll see tabs such as Promotions, Social, Updates, and Forums. Click on each one, select all the emails, and click the trash icon to delete them. Don't forget to empty your trash folder afterward. Additionally, if you regularly receive marketing emails, consider unsubscribing by clicking Unsubscribe at the top of any unwanted email. Another important step is to empty your spam and trash folders. Scroll down on Gmail sidebar, clicking More to find the spam folder. Delete all spam messages by clicking Delete all spam messages now. Follow the same action in your trash folder by selecting Empty Trash Now. After completing this, refresh Gmail to see the immediate improvement in your space. Moving to Google Drive, visit https://drive.google.com/drive quota to view your files sorted by size. Identify large files that you no longer need. Right-click on these files and select Remove. To finalize the deletion, open your trash in the left sidebar and click Empty Trash to clear them permanently. Don't forget about Google Photos. Visit https://photos.google.com and navigate to the Settings gear icon. Choose Manage Storage, where you can review and delete items like large